Hi, this is Rachelle, and I have this package that my mom sent to me that I am going to unbox. It was some things that I missed seeing while I was there for spring break and quarantine. And so she asked if I was interested, and I said yes, so she sent me a box. So let's take this out of the box. Woo. Out of the bag. Okay. So she knows I make handmade journals and junk journals. So she had these leftover fabrics and she sent them to me. So this is one. She's got it wrapped up. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Nice. And then this is one. I think this would probably make a good inside fabric. I'm not really crazy about that one. I like this one. That's what the other side looks like. This is what this looks like. I like upholstery style fabrics. And here is this one. I like this one a lot. It kind of goes along with the other ones that she had given me while I was there. As you can probably tell, she has a style. Let me show you the ones that she gave me while I was there. All right, so this is one of the fabrics that she gave me. This would have to be a small book because it has this on it, and I don't know how I would work around that. It's a small piece, so, but I like the colors. This is the fabric that she gave me that I used on the spring journal that I gave away, and I have a big chunk of this, so it's quite a bit of that. Then there was this. I think this is like muslin, and I actually bought myself some more muslin, but this will come in handy as well. Here is another piece of the spring journal fabric. I don't know why I have so much of that, but I do. And then this I like. It's pretty and airy and light. So that's what it looks like. So I have plenty of fabric to make journals with. I just need to decide what fabric I want to use next. I don't think I want to use this for a while, and I may end up giving some of this away. I'm gonna ask my friend if she would like some of it, and then I'll send her some. Oh, this was already finished. So this was just plain fabric. This is finished. It's got marks on it and everything already. So I think she was going to use this for something. I don't know. But I would have to take it apart or use something inside to stiffen it. I don't know. I'll just figure it out when I get ready to use that. But yeah, so I have plenty of this fabric. So that is my fabric haul. Just everything I got. I hope you enjoyed seeing the fabrics. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.